Several months ago, we were lucky enough to move into our new house where this kitchen was already included in the price. And when the realtor just came in and showed us around, she showed us this huge cabinet which has a key and a lock in it, if you can see it. And we were just asking her, why would you want a lockable cabinet in your kitchen when actually everything else is just as a general kitchen cabinet? And she said something so powerful. She said, this is, look at how huge it is. This is a cabinet for medicine, and that's why it is lockable. And we were just looking at each other with my husband and said, a whole full, big, huge cabinet for medicine alone. So we just couldn't comprehend the idea, but look at what we are actually storing in there. Here we go. So this is our medicine cabinet with the keys and the lock. And look at our version of it, the holistic version of it. I have my porridge in there, obviously gluten and lactose free. I have my homeopathic remedies, vitamin D, magnesium, vitamin C, probiotics, iron, everything. Echinacea, oh, you need it for this fall and autumn time, chamomile flowers, a little bit of, some sweets, what you need, a bread which is gluten and lactose free. Otherwise, this is what we use this cabinet for. And this is exactly the idea of how you should be using your cabinet as well, because we use this cabinet to prevent it to become a medicine cabinet. That's why we are just storing there all of these goodies, so we don't ever have to use anything other than these in there.